sometimes when I'm giving my neighbors herbs, I just ask them to look up the herb first before I give them, because sometimes they don't even know the name of the herbs I'm telling them about. Okay, so yes guys, so this is such a nice harvest. The plant on them is so huge. Look again guys, big bungle. They grow lovely in this soil. This soil, they grow well. I had one tree last year and the tree produced so much, and then it produced so much seeds. It produced so much seeds, and then they grew up everywhere in the garden. So I'm gonna try to get some fresh. Guys, look what's going on here. All right, and that's only some of it. Okay, so let's go again guys. This is just herbs. This is healthy herb. Okay, they take over the garden. They grow like crazy. I've been harvesting them forever, and they're still growing. Look this one. I'm just gonna break the top. And a matter of fact, they're growing so much that they're covering some of my plant. Look, I have ginger right over there that they was taking up all the space for the ginger. You know what? I'm not even gonna harvest no more. I'm gonna leave the rest. There's a lot there. Look, it still have more there, but I think this is enough for today. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna just leave them and just allow them to produce more until the first frost. They produce a lot of seed as well. All right guys, so that's a whole line I have there. All right, so